Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I'll show you how to bypass any parental controls on your HUAWEI P50 Pocket device. In my case it will be Kidslox parental control. As you can see, I can't remove this application from my device. I need a parent password. So to delete any parental controls on your device, firstly you need to disable your device. So hold down your phone, hold down power button and choose power off, power off. Wait a while and then hold power button and volume up. So press and hold power button and volume up button together. Release power button and still hold volume up button. Wait a while. Cool. Here choose safe mode. Fine, we are in safe mode here. Open settings, scroll down, choose apps, find here your parental control. In my case it's Kidslox. Choose uninstall, choose deactivate and uninstall. Wait a while. And choose OK. Cool, Kidslox uninstalled. Now press and hold power button and choose restart and restart. Fine. As you can see, we have removed the parental controls Kidslox from our device. So thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and goodbye. See you.